Dito, nandito po kami sa Senate ngayon. Kakaroon na ng putukan.
I'm willing to face anyone who is going to serve the warrant or do whatever. I told you you're welcome to serve. But do not do this. So please come back. Please let us know what's here. I will repeat all.
Nandito kami, nagtatago kami. Dahil nagkakaroon na ng putukan. Dali lang. Nandiyan si Senate President Alan Cayetano. Nandito yung mga ibang senador. Hindi namin alam kung bakit nagkakaroon ng putukan. Nagkakaroon na kami ng caucus dito. At nakarinig kami ng mga malalakas na putok. Putok ng baril. Okay. Na-receive na namin yung articles of impeachment kanina lang. Kaya nagko-caucus kami dahil we're supposed to convene as an impeachment court by next week. Tapos bigla nagkaroon ng putukan. Nandito na si Senator Robin. Senator Bongo, Senator Mark, Senator Camille. Ayan na, pinatay yung ilaw muna namin para hindi kami makita. Lahat dito pensyonado. Hindi namin alam kung bakit ganito pangyayari dito. Parang hindi na ginagalang yung Senado bilang institusyon.
Sana pala ni-record yung conversation with Melvin.
Kayong dalawa kasi kayo mag-usap. Okay, so si Senator Loren at si Senator Puliaga, kaya na in touch with the director. So they're here, they're here in the room. We have to turn off the lights dahil may putukan na nangyayari. Si Senator Pia and si Senator Loren called the NBI director. He said wala daw sila dito dahil pinaalis daw nila dito. So he said, please find out what's happening kasi nagpuputukan. Sabi niya walang magagawa kasi pinaalis. And then he started saying, huwag kami magtaas ng boses. What will you do, Director, kung may putukan na at lahat ng staff mo at yung mga usaan mo naka-best na lahat and hindi malaman mangyayari? What would you do? Hindi ba dapat ang sagot mo, ma'am, sir, I'll go there, I'll make sure you'll help?
That's what I was expecting him to say. When Senator Loren was talking to him very calmly, I said, what are you gonna do about this? Pinuputukan kami dito. Sabi niya, huwag kami makalapit, pinalis nyo kami dyan. Sabi ko, then do your job, make us safe, this is not good. Ma'am, huwag mo ako sigawan. Yun ang masasabi mo sa akin? Pinuputukan kami, sasabihin mo sa akin, huwag kitang sigawan. Sumisigaw ako dahil mataas ang emotions.
So, I'll give everyone context. 4 senators got tips 30 minutes ago while we were talking na umalis na dito kasi may mangyayari. So, yung isa kapwa senador, yung iba kung sino-sino nagsabi. So, the emotions are high here because bakit kami paalisin and we're waiting for the articles of impeachment and we're having a meeting. Nasabi nilang dadating na. So, again, no? Kung sino nakikinig from the government, this is the Senate of the Philippines. We are allegedly under attack. The Sergeant of Arms has confirmed na may putukan na dito. So please, kung sinong nanonood, sinong nakikinig, we expect yung tawagan namin, will understand the emotions here and will say we'll do something about it. No? So the rest, yung mga nasa Senate, turn off the lights, stay low. Kung may active shooters, follow the protocols. That's my second one.
Yan ang statement ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano. Pinatay lang yung mga ilaw namin para kausap ni Senator Alan si Secretary John Vic.
Kausap tayo. No, but what happened? Biglang nagkaputukan na dito. So we don't know what's happening. So please, please send people or yung police sa labas, they're coordinating but we don't know also what's happening. Okay. 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 Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir John Vic, para lang alam mo, no, tinawagan ko si Melvin kasi kaibigan ko yan. Tapos sabi ko, Melvin, may napuputukan dito, allegedly, NBI. Kausap ko si Sir John Vic, hindi naman daw mga polis. Eh, syempre, hindi naman yung OSA. Hindi naman Marines. Eh, sino? Tapos, sabi niya, hindi kami. Sabi niya, hindi kami. Pero, John Vic, sabi lang, OSA namin sa labas. Eh, sino?
Where's Bato? Halos lahat ng mga senador nandito ngayon. Nagulat sa mga pangyayari.
Guys, it doesn't have to be all of us. I'm not leaving it out.
Me neither.
I think John Wick sees it.
Yeah, this is
So if it's here to secure, I'm not leaving it out. And I'm not sure.
yes, me also. Me also. And only John Vic, para siya mga polis. I mean, but sabi niya, how can you keep us when the NCRPO are there to protect you? I believe John Vic. So is the military. No.
And so he comes
Yan.
with Alan and Alan
Nandito si Senator Amy at sobrang
Tumatawag ako sa maraming mga opisyal ng DND, ng PNP. Dinidedma kami Andito kami para kami yung mga nagtatago ditong hostage at hindi kami makalabas habang nagpuputungan. At amoy usok na rin Kaya, ewan, Jinggoy, ano ba itong nangyayari?
hindi ko alam.
Eto ba yung copycat martial law? Eto na ba ito?
And if I find out, I will
Para kami mga daga dito, gumagapang sa dilim, hindi man lang natin yung ilaw.
do we know alam namin NBI, when
That's
Lauren
it, Vince.
called,
Hello? Wala na akong tawag dyan Wala
Well, naghihintay pa rin kami. Yan, kung ano mangyayari. Kung paano masisecure lahat yung mga tao na nasa loob ng building ng Senado.
you have to do something. You have to
So,
keep it safe.
alam ni
Robin
Robin na
Kasi sinigawan niya pa ako sa loob. Oo, sinigawan. Sabi ka kaya, pinakaputukan.
Tapos sabi na lang
The emotions are very, very high here.
President para makakoordinate kami. Sabihin mo naman ako siya sigawan. That's all he could say.
Okay. Sasalita si Senate President.
For them, is allowed them in. Dadating po si Secretary Julian ng DILG with one of the PNP. It is not them attacking us. Allow them in. This is secure daw ang building at tayo. But I just want everyone to know, ito pong grupo na nandito, we're not going to leave each other. We're not going to leave Senator Bato. May agreement na. We're still looking at the Supreme Court decision, but his legal remedies have not been exhausted. Sabi ng Supreme Court, binibigyan ng 3 days to comment. So we are relying on the law, relying on the Constitution, we are relying on the word of the NBI na hindi papasukin ang Senate na walang coordination. But again, nagkaputukan na po dito. We cannot let this pass. So, Osaa, I'm trying to call you. Papasukin niyo po si Secretary Remulla. He's here to help.
Okay, yan ang tinig ni SP Alan. Okay.
After we called Melvin, tumigil.
For now. Hello, Maddie. Maddie. Yeah, no, we're not okay. There's putukan in the room next door to us. And we're all hold in the SP's room. And we have to turn the lights off and crawl around with rats because there's putukan and it's not smoke. Nobody's coming to our aid. And DILG and DNP.
1 minute.
Marami ng...
I called Tate, but he's never end of the universe. So he's just tired.
Oh, dilim na.
Oh, I don't know.
So, dumilim.
He doesn't know though, he doesn't know. But he has 1,000.
Pwede na ba tayo lumabas?
Well, we're General Labirin, but I don't know.
Pwede
where
na lumabas
the
dyan?
head is. And we're not getting anyone going. We don't know who's ours and who's not ours. Yeah, call for help and say that the senators are under siege. Malacanang maybe. Or maybe this is their ploy to declare martial law. I have no idea. Or they just really want to get Bato.
And tinig ni Senator Amy Marcos. Kausap,
Yeah.
hindi ko alam kung sino yung kausap.
Yeah, they're totally compromised. Why do you call the power? You call, I don't know, Uncle Bong? You tell them that this is not a good idea. It came from the Senate. Yeah, it's crossed my mind too, but it might be his order, so fuck it. I don't know. What do you think?
Mawawalan po ang
Yeah,
batay
it's
na
right,
itong
for the heck
sipo.
of it. You say all the senators are working here, and is this really what you want? Not really. No, not really. We have very few, our security in the Senate are very few, and they don't have any long
Huh?
Dadaan po kayo,
And they don't in the right.
Ito, sir.
Party politics.
Naka-live pa ako eh.
Nakalive. Yes,
Oo.
yan, sir. Ilawan ka.
So, dun sa naghahanap kay Senator Marcoleta, nandito Senator Marcoleta. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Wait. Wait po ito. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Dalawa lang.
Dalawang taon siguro. Of course. Pero, tactical. Ako susunod ko sa akin. Pag dumating ako.
Malamang mista mo lang yung mga sabi.
Ako sa positive ko. Sa positive.
Ay, sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Susunod kami yung NBI dito. Naputukan yung NBI para sumuko. Hindi sila nandun sa
Oh, parating daw, 10 minutes. Bigyan nila ng space.
Ha?
Pero clear na daw, clear na. So,
Clear
that's
na.
everyone.
Yeah.
Clear na.
sa CCTV na.
Pwede na lumabas?
I-secured lang daw yung CCTV.
General, I just want to know, sino na to? Nasa loob.
Nasa left ko kasi, nasa malapit na sa ano natin eh. Sa exit natin.
Nakuha ng CCTV. Yun po.
Baka may makuha po tayo ng mga record.
Itago niyo yung CCTV.
Wala namang magbalik, magkatutukan mo kung hindi na dumating.
Exactly. Sinong nasunod?
Kami po, kaya na usama marriage po.
Ang NCR, ang PNP na sa loob na sa labas.
Pinapasok po kasi based on the reports at saka nakita namin sa CCTV, papasok na po sila sa mga
Sino sila?
mga NBI po.
NBI agents.
Kaya confirm na nakita ko na may NBI guest.
NBI.
At saka sinabi na,
Anong
sino kayo? NBI.
Yung main
Tapos sabay
entrance.
ito.
Yung main entrance.
Dito po sa, hindi naman sila sa main entrance, dito sa lens po natin. Tapos puputok, so siyempre puputok din kami.
Sa area o ano?
Hindi ko alam po kung saan sila.
Ang atin o sa police after Marines. At naman puputok sila sa area o sa camp?
Hindi ko po masiguro ma'am, but to make sure that we contact kami.
Yeah, of course.
Baril yun.
Ako po, nagpaputok din ako kasi ako yung nasa unahan to check sana.
Okay. Grabe itong gina. Ayon sa aming chief ng Sergeant at Arms, ang NBI daw nung Senado, ang NBI daw ang unang mga elemento ng NBI ang unang nagpaputok dito sa gusali ng Senado.
They fired upon us. The Senate, the NBI fired the Sergeant at Arms will be appointed They were the ones who fired shots. So, yung Osaka, yung Senate security dito, nag-fireback sila. So,
So, ayon sa Sergeant at Arms namin, medyo clear na yung sitwasyon dito sa Senado. Ano, we have to condemn this dastardly act by the elements of these government agencies concerned. This calls for an investigation, a full-blown investigation. Dahil unang-una, masyado na nilang binastos ang institusyon ng Senado. Pangalawa, wala namang nagpaputok sa hanay ng Sergeant at Arms ng Senado. Ang nag-umpisa, ayon din sa aming Sergeant at Arms, ang mga elemento daw ng NBI ang una nagpaputok.